Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Hey everyone, today we are going to learn how to make this simple and pretty paper antique earrings. So let's get started. Firstly, take a thick canvas sheet or buckram paper. Draw out a tear shape on it. After you're done, draw another shape inside it. Now cut it out. Take a gold nail polish and apply over it. You can also use gold paint over here. Take some round shaped kundans and apply some glue over the paper and start sticking the kundans over it. And guys, I did make few paper earrings, so do watch them as well. You're almost done. After you've finished sticking all the antique kundans, keep it aside to dry. Now take a canvas sheet and apply some glue and stick a kundan to it. And glue a stone chain around it. Let this dry for some time and cut it out. Now take a pin and make it short. Cut another teardrop shape and glue all of them together using the hot glue gun. Lastly, attach the stud to the hanging. And that's it, you're done. Your pretty paper antique earrings are ready to wear. They are very easy to make and are both traditional and fancy at the same time. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like this video and do subscribe to my channel. Until then, happy crafting!